Are you ready for the next big thing? In Apple's iPad lineup, a major upgrade might be on the horizon. Rumors suggest that Apple is gearing up to bring OLED displays to the iPad Air and iPad mini by 2026. If you've been following the evolution of the iPad, you know that OLED made its debut this year in the M4 iPad Pro, touted as having the world's most advanced display. But what does this mean for the more affordable iPad models? In today's video, we'll break down everything you need to know about this exciting development. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. For business inquiries, contact us today for expert content creation and advertising your brand or products on our TikTok and YouTube channels. Don't hesitate to email us. OLED displays are no longer reserved for the premium iPad Pro. According to a report by Lee Kijong from the ELEC, Apple is planning to introduce OLED screens to both the iPad Air and iPad mini by 2026. Samsung is expected to be the main supplier of these panels, marking a significant shift in display technology for these devices. Both new OLED models, the iPad Air and iPad mini, are rumored to launch in 2026. This aligns with earlier reports about the iPad mini possibly adopting OLED. However, it's important to note that these models might not feature the same advanced tandem OLED setup found in the M4 iPad Pro. The Pro models carry a higher price tag that justifies such premium technology, but for the iPad Air and mini, keeping costs down is crucial. Apple has a history of trickling down advanced technology from its Pro models to more affordable devices, albeit with some compromises. For example, the iPhone initially limited OLED displays to Pro models, but eventually even the base models adopted OLED, though without promotion. We might see a similar pattern here. OLED will come to the iPad Air and mini, but it won't be as sophisticated as what's offered in the Pro models. Apple just released a new iPad Air recently, and a refreshed iPad mini is expected later this year. Given this timing, 2026 could very well be the year we see these devices equipped with OLED. It's a long wait, but it could be worth it if you're holding out for that superior display quality at a more affordable price. Now, let's connect the dots between Apple's past strategies and what we might expect from this rumored upgrade. Transitioning from the iPhone's OLED journey to the iPad could reveal a lot about Apple's plans. And that's the scoop on the potential OLED upgrade for the iPad Air and iPad mini. If this rumor pans out, we're looking at a brighter, more vibrant future for Apple's mid-range tablets. Are you excited about the possibility of owning an OLED iPad Air or mini? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech updates